In case of mirror, the image formed behind the mirror, if you move away from the mirror, the image will also move away from you. But if you go behind the mirror, will not find anything there. This image seemed to be imaginary. Such an image which cannot be formed on screen is known as virtual image. Understand? And those image which formed in front of you, that is real image. That form on a screen are said to be real image. To understand how a virtual image is formed, let us study how we see object. As a light from an object enter our eyes, its real image is formed on retina, and the image is smaller than object and that the upside down. See, here this is retina and we see it as a real image, okay, inverted it, and then we able to see it, okay. The brain then study the image. It showed that the light travel in a straight line and therefore able to analyze the direction. The object in the correct size, the right direction and at the right distance, and of course right side up. However, the brain can sometimes get fooled. Suppose a ray of light from an object A somehow bent at point O and then made to fall on our eyes. The brain cannot detect that the light has been bent. And since it knows that light travel in a straight lines, it thinks that the light is coming from B. You therefore see the object at B, although there is nothing really at B, and which is virtual image. It only seems that the light is coming from the virtual image. We will see the later the chapter how the path of light can be changed in form of virtual chapter image. You can see the image of pencil formed in a plane in figure 16.8, this one, and this image is known as virtual image. Image formed by plane mirror is virtual, erect and of the same size of an object, and the size of image of an object is equal to the size of an object. The image at the same distance behind the mirror as the object is in front. If you go closer to the mirror, you see that image formed closer. If you see far distance from mirror, you see image formed is also far. So it means that the image is at the same distance behind the mirror as the object in front of it. In the image formed by a plane mirror, there is an interchange of left and right, and this is lateral inversion. If you touch right ear, then if you analyze from that side, okay, in front of your side, it means that from the side of mirror, okay, so this ear is left ear, but actually you are touching your right ear. So this is said to be lateral inversion. I repeat, in an image formed by a plane mirror, there is an interchange of left and right. If you see right ear, it indicates left one from their side. Now let us see the term ambulance. Now what I want to tell you one thing. See, this ambulance is right now seem like correct ambulance. Correct ambulance. So because it is written inverted, it is written inverse. So this my front camera is showing it correct ambulance, but if you see this light, then this light is inverted. So we can say that this is inverted. So to see correct letter, we can write by this way. Camera catches it correct, so because it is written in book inversely, but this motion is written as correctly, but camera taken as inverted. Okay, so this is the main case by which ambulance is written in inverted letter. So because whatever the car and vehicles come, that see in a correct way, like we can see in this camera correct way, ambulance. Okay, understand? Now place a plane mirror on one side this word and read the image. You can now read this word, and this how the word is ambulance is written in the ambulance. This is because the driver in front of an ambulance who sees the ambulance on his or her rear view mirror see a literal inverted image of the word and read it correctly. He or she can then give a way to ambulance. We thus see that these activity that can the image formed by the plane mirror is virtual, erect, of the same size of an object, appears to be much behind the mirror as the object in front of it, and second and last one is lateral inverted. So these are the things we observe when image formed in a plane mirror. I repeat, when image formed in a plane mirror, we observe some certain things. First, it always form virtual image, erect image of the same size of the object. Fourth, appears to be much behind the mirror as the object in front of it. It means that the distance between mirror and you is 1 meter, then the image formed also 1 meter far behind the mirror, inside the mirror, sorry. And last one is literally inverted. Okay, laterally inverted. So these are the things we need to understand, and I hope you understand today's lecture. One thing, please read this chapter till page number 187. Okay, please start reading today this chapter light. Okay, and please read till 187. Okay, in next lecture we talk about a spherical mirror. Okay, so for today